Welcome back to the garden, gang. There is devastation. There's an egg down there. There's devastation on the Homestead this morning. Huh? Yeah, I think he's hurt though.
His leg don't look fucked up.
There's devastation on the Homestead this morning. I heard barking early, and I didn't hear crowing or roostering. So excuse the way I look, but I'll turn you guys around. A warning, this is pretty graphic, but came out this morning. I heard barking really close, and this is what we came out to with a dog inside of the coop. Ugh. Flies everywhere. Flies everywhere. But I was hearing roostering this morning, and then suddenly I didn't. And I heard a lot of barking, so we came out, and this is what we were met with. We had 17 chickens, and I'm counting 4 survivors. The other ones are scared. Hadn't come down yet. I've got a hurt one here. She must have escaped this morning, because I just seen her coming back in. He's up walking, but he's definitely, I see some feathers removed from him. So I'm going to check him out, and I'm going to get him cleaned up. His cone is pretty bloody. He's having a little bit of a hard time breathing. So maybe if I can get him bandaged up, he'll survive. But this is just ridiculous. People need to put their dogs up, and my children need to be sure that it's closed. Completely heartbroken this morning. I came back from vacation the day before yesterday, and I was really worried about them being while we were gone and all of that. And I came back and everything was fine, and my sons were out playing in the backyard, and I guess they came into the coop, and I didn't close it back properly. So this morning it was a big old doggy out there. Hey girl. Big old black. I don't know what kind of dog it was. He was old. He did get shot with the BB gun. And then we finally got him out. But, I mean, and he didn't just eat them. He just killed him. He just killed him. So, they're up there scared. I don't think they've come down to eat or anything. I don't know how a egg got laid down there. Maybe she was just too scared to be up here. You okay, mamas? You alright, mamas? I know, girls. I know it. So, I'll probably make sure this one is okay. I don't really see any hurt on her, but I know the rooster is hurt. So, I guess we'll take you guys along on the journey with this, and I'm just so sad. Alright, gang, so think we're at a standstill on what can we do. We got them buried. I have 5 chickens left out of 17. 1 rooster, and I'm not sure how he will recover. He's seeming like he's got some internal damage going on, and the dogs didn't really just chomp down on any of them. There was no blood. He just kind of trampled on them and pulled feathers. So that's where we are. We'll see how the other ones hold up. Hopefully. I do think one of the bigger egg layers, she's a little bit hurt. She can't jump well. Other than that, I think she's okay. I can see a little bit of labored breathing. But other than that, I don't really know what else to do for them. Make sure they stay fed and watered. Let's see here. So here's 3. Those 2 were up there scared on the roofs. Got another one over there. She's looking a little puffed up, but she came from outside of the coop. So I don't know if her issues are because of this situation or what. That one. She's like, don't come over here messing with me now. I know you've been through a lot today, girls. So she keeps lifting that leg up like that. So I'm hoping she's not getting sick or wasn't hurt. She came out from outside of the coop. We had come back out here and getting ready to get everything situated, and she was here. So, and then I have my guy over there, which it doesn't look like. And then Big Mama's over there puffed up too. She's over there puffed up. And they may just need rest. But I don't know, that's Auntie, and she doesn't normally act like that. You know, her eyes, she's doing a lot of closing her eyes, and she's puffed up. And she just kind of popped up, like, get me out of here when she noticed that me and my husband was in the coop. I think she was over there playing dead. I don't really see any damage on her. She just wanted to get up here and kind of lay down, I guess. She might have got trampled pretty good. Positive vibes, people. What is it, baby? I know it. Mom, sorry. I'm just hoping that they just need some rest. And I'm going to get their water going with more apple cider and oregano. I'll refill it. It's been a couple days. It's been about 5 days, 6 days that it's been in there. So I'm going to refill it. Positive vibes, gang. Positive vibes. Let's get these girls better. Like I said, other than that, I don't really know what to do, but I figured I would share this because not everything is peaches and roses and beauty on a homestead. There's loss. There's grief. There's hurdles and get up and try again. So I just wanted to share that experience and maybe I don't know, send positive vibes to the Brewstead. Thanks for watching, gang.